Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use trend line as a beginner. You guys know there are different type of strategies. We have the moving average, the support and resistance, the break and back structure, the candlestick patterns, chart patterns. There are so many type of strategies you can use as a beginner forex trader, even as an advanced forex trader. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use trend lines as a beginner forex trader. So with the help of traders, I've been able to make some massive profit for myself. You can see right now the trade I have right here is about $20 worth of profit, and this profit I made by using a simple trend line strategy that I will be sharing with you guys on this video. I'm currently trading gold, I'm currently trading AUD USD, ERNZD and NZUSD. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use trend lines in the beginner way and how you can get started to learn forex and make some good money for yourself. So what's up guys, I am Crazyman FS. What I do on this channel, I teach people how to trade forex and also how to stay profitable on a consistent basis, right? So with that being said, let's get back on today's video. Now, how to use trend lines. So let me quickly put this phone on auto rotate so that we can see these charts very clearly right now. Let's give it a little seconds. Good. So how can you use trend lines to trade forex markets in an easy way? Trend lines, they are very good tools in trading. This is daily time frame, right? You can see it here from the arrow. This is what the D1. What that simply means is that this is the daily time frame. So how can you use trend lines to trade the forex market and earn profitability in it? So this is NZUSD right now, and I'm already on this trade. So right now you click on that N sign, this sign right here, this N button sign, click on it. This is MT5. I already taught you guys how to use MT5 on the previous video. If you have not watched that video, kindly go over now to my playlist. You will see the videos right there, how to use MT5 as a beginner forex trader, right? So good. So click on this N9, and oh sorry, this is for the indicators. Go back, click on this one right here. This is the one you're going to click on. This one right here. So once you click on it right here, you're going to see different objects. You click on the plus sign, you're going to see a lot of objects, tools that you can use. Fibonacci retracement. I'm also going to make a video about Fibonacci retracement and how you can use it to catch market. But for today's video, let's talk about how to use trend line right here. I'm just showing you for the purpose of the beginners again, because you guys might not watch the video. So go ahead and watch that video and learn how to use MT5. Good. Now this is the trend line. So you want to put this trend line at a point whereby the market had a turn, right? The point where the market had a turn. I love using arches color. Let me change the color to arches. I just love the color to the arches, right? So white. Let me see this one right here. And pixel. Let me put it at 3 pixels. Should be okay. Good. Click on save. Now as you can see right there, this is the trend line is right here. So I'm going to plot this trend line on a very high point so you guys can see where the market had a turn. That's where we're going to be putting this trend line. We have the major trend lines and the minor trend lines. Other traders might not tell you this, but we have two types of trend lines. The major trend lines are the trend lines that you spot on from the daily time frame. And this is just showing you, showing you guys how to plot your trend line in forex, right? So you can see that there might be a resistance right here, right? Because from this place, market had a turn or a pullback. The market was coming to this direction. Then when they meet this trend line, bam, the market bounced to the opposite direction. Then it had to turn again somewhere here. That means this place is also another point of confluence. This place can be used as another point of what? Confluence. Because there's another turn right here at this end, right? So that is how you plot your trend line from the higher time frame. There is scale it down right to the lower time frame. So since these trend lines are here, we're going to use it to predict the market. How am I predicting this market to make the profit I'm making right now? So this is the daily time frame, right? This is the daily time frame. So over here there's another possibility, confluences, and you can also see. Remember, I'm teaching this video for the sake of beginners in an easy way you can understand it, right? So all these places are where you can easily take your trades in the long run, because you always want to stay in the trend. Whenever the river is flowing to a particular direction, you want to flow with that river so you can swim to a very far distance in the long swimming. It's the same thing for forex trading. Whenever the market is moving at a particular trend, you want to go at that point where the market is moving to, so that you can earn a lot of money massively from it. Now take a look at this place right here. This place right here, right? As you can see, had it been this place was here when we spot it, this is about few months back, right here, guys. Where this place right now, this is where I'm talking about. So let's just focus on there. Look at how much you would have made if you are actually use, let me see, a 0.01 lot. Select your lot button, you place your sell order right here, your sell stop. Let's change it to sell stop, sell limit. Okay, you above the price. Anyway, it's also correct. You place your sell limit right here, and your take profit will be about this point right now. Let's say you reach a stop loss of about, just according to your account balance. You can also reduce the lot size. You can reduce it to see how much you can reach. So look at how much you would have made. Look at the profits. Are you seeing how much you made? $45 right now. So had it been you have maybe to a one standard lot size, this is how the power of trend line works. Now look at how much you now be making. Roughly $4,500 you make just from taking these trades from here to here. So you see the power of you using trend line as a point of confluences to see the direction of the market and to trade in that direction. So always learn to trade in the direction of the market. Now let's zoom in now to the 4-hour time frame to see where we can plot other trend lines that we can use as other points of confluences, because trend line helps you to master the direction of the market. So now look at this is happening. This is what I love so much about trend lines. They are also like support and resistance. Look at this page right now. Over here you can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle right here. That brings us to candlestick patterns, which I'm also going to be sharing in another video, right? This is a bullish engulfing candle right here. So that is another buy signal that you can take and use it to predict the market. This bullish engulfing candle indicates an uptrend. It means that number one point of confluence is your trend line is already telling you that okay, when the market price will get to here, be expecting a pull back to the opposite direction, meaning the buyers are going to come in and step in the market, which is actually what took place right here. This actually took place right here, and you can see how the market pushed up to the other direction. Now, there is something that we call, I said this on the previous video, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and impulse and correction. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to break it really quick. So what this simply means is that this is how the market moves. If you are a beginner, the market is not just going to go to your take profit directly. No, the market moves in pips. It breathes out, it breathes in. It breathes out, it breathes in. You can see something like that's happening right here. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just like that. That is how the market moves. You will see this every day on the market. The same thing in a downtrend, which you can see right here. I'm showing you guys with practical. You not see I'm just preaching and preaching. You are not seeing what I'm talking about. This is what I am telling you. This is it. In a case of a sell or a downtrend, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low. You can see something like this. That is how the market moving. In case of an uptrend, you've seen higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low. That is impulse correction, impulse correction. In case of a downtrend, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, just like that. So that also brings us to types of markets, which I'm also going to be dropping in another video. So if you are finding any values from this video, please kindly like this video and also subscribe to the channel. I will encourage you guys to subscribe so that we can grow this community, grow this channel together, and reach out to other people out there who are also interested in learning forex, right? So back to the video, guys. Back to the video. So on this case right now, we are already seeing this higher high happening. Since this is what's happening every day on the market, you can easily predict where to jump in. You want to jump in where the market creates a higher low. That's when you want to click on buy. Then once it moves again higher high, you wait a little bit. Once it comes back to a higher low again, you click on buy again. Then wait again to push up again to another higher high. Good, guys. This is what we see happening right here on the 4-hour time frame. I also taught you guys about time frame in the previous video about how to use MT5. So kindly watch that video so you can understand this video way more better. Now this is where I enter this trade from. This is my buy limit. This is my stop loss. My stop loss is $4. My take profit is about $6 right now, and I'm only up with about $2 worth of profit. Let's go lower now to another lower time frame, say the 1-hour time frame, and see what is happening right now. So you can see how the chart is moving. Now you can see that higher high very clear now. This is the higher high, the higher low, another high, another low, another high, another low, and then it's trying to create another high. But if this market fails to create a high above this high, that means this is a change of structure or a break of structure. That means this market might start turning to, you now start seeing something like this: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, meaning the market have changed from a buy trade or a buy trend to a sell trend, whereby the sellers are not in the market, so you want to be closing the trade. But for the now, we are still in good profit. You can see how I'm able to predict. So from the higher time frame, the whole point is that how to use trend line to predict the market and make good profit for yourself on the long run. From the higher time frame, I can see that okay, this market is actually going to a better, and it has the possibility to go to a very far distance. But you go back to the daily time frame, you see that this market is coming from this point right now. There is my cross. Okay, this market is coming from this point right now up to here. From there it's going to travel up to this point, which is very far. So from there to there, I have a lot of way to go and also a lot of money to make. That is the possibility of you using trend line and following your risk management. That brings us to risk management. Risk management helps you to minimize your risks, to save your capital if the market doesn't go in your favor, right? So good. Now this is the 1-hour time frame and the market is still moving. Now let's go over now to the best time frame I love using, which is the 5-minute time frame. After I've analyzed everything from the higher time frame, I will go to the 5-minute time frame to take my entry. Can you see how the market is moving in our favor now? This is, I'm going to click another buy trade right now with a 0.01 lot size, because this is another opportunity. As I teach you guys, I trade, I teach, I trade, I teach, I trade. That is what I do. I preach and I practice. So practice what I preach and do well to like this video. Alright, let me click on the buy trade right now, and boom guys, let's see. Good. Now we're in the trade. I'm going to put my stop loss from the higher time. You can see as I click on the buy trade, the market has already started moving. My stop loss is going to come down here, reasonably about $2 to $3 of my account. That will be okay for me. So I learn how to reach. That's big. So there's something we call about stop loss. Stop loss, you use it to reach how much you want to reach on a particular trade. So with the help of this analysis, I can put my stop loss on a very far place where I know that okay, it's going to take the market a lot of time before it's going to hit my stop loss. That is it right here. My stop loss is about this on the 30 minutes time frame. You'll be able to spot something will have a double bottom or a W pattern. That's what you are seeing right here. Look at this place very closely. You see something like a W pattern. So you see all these patterns, you see them every day in the forex market. This gives you an opportunity to buy from here. Stop loss will be somewhere here and then take profit will be here. So if I bought this market from about somewhere here right now, I'm gonna put my stop loss would be around somewhere here. My take profit would be just 2 times my stop loss, which is about $4 somewhere here. But somewhere here right now will be my take profit 2 times. That is $2, $4. So you can see the market is already slowly moving up to my direction without me even using moving averages. So this is the power of using a trend line in conjunction with markets or chart pattern. This is the W pattern. The same thing for a buy trade. If it was a sell trade, I mean, you'll be seeing something like an M pattern. That means you want to start buying from here. Take profit will be here and the stop loss will be here, just like how your sell, take profit and stop loss. So that is how it is right now. Let's go down to a 5 minute time frame to see what is happening. It's already pulling back, but in a very short time we are targeting a very high place. So we have a long way to go in this market, guys. We have a long way to go. So let's just wait for this market to play out. So that is it, guys. I wanted to show you guys how to use trend line and moving average. So to know where to spot them, just look for where the market had a turn on the higher time frames. That is how you're going to get here to spot all these trend line breaking structures and how to use them. I'm also going to make more videos about trend line. Trend is a very, very effective way of trading. It's a very stress-free. You don't need to be moving, oh, what's going on the market, I want to see this, I want to see that. No. With the help of trend lines, you can actually master a trade and make more money from that trade, because trend line, they tell you the direction where the market is going from a very far place. Look at how this market is moving, right? This is the NZD USD. This market has been having a turn about somewhere here, right? Somewhere had a turn somewhere here, had a turn somewhere here, had a turn somewhere here. So you can see the power of trend line, and all those places are also called resistance. That is how you identify your resistance. While the support is just below, the opposite of your resistance is your support. That is your support zone. So you can see I'm already teaching you guys support and resistance on this video, and this video is just about trend line. So in the next video I'm going to teach you more details on support and more details on resistance. So do well to follow me up on YouTube, please. If you find any video helpful, any information helpful on this video, please do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I encourage you guys to subscribe. I love you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, and please do well to comment any of the thoughts, any of the questions you want me to talk about. If you are having any troubles, let me know in the comment section, so I will do my best to make a video on that and put you through. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Please do it to subscribe to the channel, and let me see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys. Peace out.